Hello, and welcome to this live guided group Universal Sphere for May 2020. And if you're not seeing anything, that's normal. I'm doing this as audio only. And the Universal Sphere is a feeling process, not a thinking process. It is a next generation energy modality, and it's something that's made a profound difference in my life. My name is Scott Walker. I'm a Universal Sphere instructor based out of Banff, Alberta, Canada. And so, just so you know, during this call, you will not be learning how to do Universal Sphere. You will be taking part in this experience. So, what I'd like you to do, in case you don't already, is to close your eyes and make sure you're in a nice, comfortable position. Ideally, in a comfortable chair. You could be lying on the couch, lying on your bed. And what I'd like you to do is take a note of how you're feeling. Are you feeling anxious? Are you feeling calm? Are you feeling stressed? Are you feeling excited? Are you feeling a little bit depressed? How are you feeling? So I ask you to take a note of that. And what I'd like you to do now is to think of something that you would like energetic support around during this call. It could be lifting your mood and or optimism during this uncertain time. Alternatively, what you intend to focus on during May, or something you would like to let go of. It could be supercharging an area of your life that's going really well, or your primary 2020 intention. So I'd love you to think of what you would like energetic support around. And just take a note of that so you can either simply remember it, or you can just open your eyes and write a quick note or type it in your phone. And as you're aware of that now, I'll ask you again to reclose your eyes in case you had to open them again. And just get nice and comfortable. We're going to take a few nice deep breaths here to get centered and grounded. And as you're taking nice deep breaths, do it at your own pace. And you're breathing in possibilities. And you're breathing out anything that is no longer serving you. So you're breathing in possibilities and letting go of anything no longer serving you. And I forgot to mention, really do your best to be in a distraction-free space with any notifications on your phone or computer turned off. And thank you very much, whether you're watching live or later. I appreciate you taking the time to be here right now. And with energy work, this type of energy work, it's as effective whether you're listening live or at a later time. And for those of you who are, for yourself listening, all you have to focus on is being open and curious. There's nothing you need to know or do during this time. Please know that this energy that I will be creating and offering to you has your highest and best as the intention. And I'm just starting to create this universal sphere right now. And as I'm doing so, I'm being feeling really grateful to be here right now. And I'm grateful that you are here. And if you find that your mind is wandering off and thinking about things that you did today or that you will do today, just be gentle with yourself. Remind yourself to come back to be fully present right here, right now. And we're doing our best to move from a head space to our heart space. And as I mentioned right at the start, this is a feeling process. And if you're finding it hard to stay centered and grounded without thinking of different things, again, just be gentle with yourself. Remind yourself to come back to this space right here and now. And you may find it, if that's the case, that focusing purely on your breathing can be helpful. And Universal Sphere is an incredibly powerful, yet very easy to learn energy modality. It's something that's made a massive difference in my life. And I'm grateful that you're open and curious to be listening to this call right now. As I'm creating this universal sphere, I'm feeling the energy building. And this is an outward expansive energy. And that being said, you may or may not feel anything. If you do not feel anything, that is okay. Do be aware that even if you do not feel anything, that the energy will be coming to you and it will be helping you raise your vibration, and it'll help increase the amount of love and light that you have yourself personally. And if you do feel something, great. I've had many people feel nothing, and I've had many people feel a variety of things. I've had some people get cold. I've had some people get hot. Had the odd person start vibrating. I've had a person see colors. I've heard of people seeing magnificent landscapes, almost like a visualization. I've heard of people seeing planets, galaxies, nebula, stars, etc. And like I say, if you're not seeing anything during this process or feeling anything, that is quite all right. You're in the right space. I say that to encourage you to release any expectations about what you may or may not experience during this call. My intention is for you to just be here as fully present as you can and to be as open and curious as you can. And I'm just going to be silent for a few breaths here. So let's let you focus on your breathing. And as I feel this energy building, again, just really do your best to stay as present as you can, to be here now. So to be letting go of any thoughts of the past or anxiousness about the future, to be fully present right here, right now. And I am feeling this energy continuing to build. And as it's doing so, I'm just feeling so immensely grateful to be here right now myself. And I'm grateful that you are taking the time out of your day to join me. Out of the million and one things you could be doing, you are choosing to be here either live or later. And I'm very grateful for that. And at this point, I'm slowly releasing this sphere. As I'm doing so, remain still. Keep taking nice deep breaths. And as this outward expansive energy is being released, it is permeating every cell of your body. And it's adding love and light to yourself. It's helping raise your vibration. And it's also assisting your highest and best with what you thought of at the start. So what I'd like you to do is to think of what you requested energetic support around before this process started. Bring that to mind and feel and visualize that happening. And be grateful that it happened. So whether it's something that's going well that you'd like to go even better, whether it's something you'd like to let go of, whether it's feeling more of a sense of optimism about this uncertain time, whatever it is, feel grateful that it has happened and visualize that yourself. And again, just remain calm. Keep taking some nice deep breaths. And let this energy go into every cell of your body. And at this point, I'd love for you to just slowly start wiggling your toes, wiggling your fingers. And whenever you feel ready, please open your eyes. And whether you are watching live or later, I'd love to hear how this experience was for you. So please comment below. And if you are someone that is totally new to Universal Sphere and would like to learn more, I'll post some links below this video for you to check out. And once again, thank you for coming and spending this time for yourself today. And enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.